Hello friends, welcome back to another amazing video. Today I am here with another update back to back. Yes, the first update I just uploaded was regarding the arcade price counter. It is on the process. बस ये upload हो जाएगी जब तक ये वाली video upload हो रही होगी. And another update is here. First I am informed about the arcade price counter, what you should have to do before the emission of the swags. Now another update is there, and that is arcade new season is about to seem started. Just I was checking the official website of the arcade. It is on this URL. If you go to this, and I got to know that July month is already started. They just about half an hour ago make the updates on the pages, and new challenges are there, so you can start participating in this for now. But before participating in this, I have to verify. तो अभी आप start कर सकते हो, but you have to take care about one thing. That is which ID you are using to collect the points. अगर आप same ID use कर रहे हो that you already used in the last season, in the arcade January to the June season, then make sure you use new ID this time, because if your ID contains skill batches, then in this new season you won't be receiving the points for the skill batches, for those already completed skill batches. So I will suggest you, if you are going to start the new challenge here or this new season, then make sure you use that email ID which doesn't have any skill batches. मैंने ये बता दिया. अब जल्दी स्टार्ट करते हैं, देख लेते हैं कि क्या क्या चेंजेस हुए हैं ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट पे. The link would be in the description box. First of all, you have to again subscribe with the email ID with which you are going to participate. Simply click on the subscribe here button. You have to, I guess, fill a form. Yes, you have to fill a simple form with your email address and your URL link. Once you submit it, you are done with the new season. आप new season में register कर जाओगे. Now you are able to see again the base camp here. The level 3 is here, level 1, level 2, and even the trivias for week 1, week 2, week 3 and week 4 are all live together. I don't know what is happening here. I have to verify once with the higher ups, but update है तो मैं तुरंत आपके साथ share करना चाहता था. That's why you can start enrolling it itself. So how you can enroll? First of all, every level contains a unique access code. You have to copy it and you have to click on the start button. Now don't worry if you are completely new to this. I will be uploading a complete beginner friendly guide upon it soon. I am definitely uploading. आपको कल सुबह तक मिल जाएगी कि आप अगर एक नए फ्रेशर पार्टिसिपेट हो तो कैसे पार्टिसिपेट करना है. बट अभी क्योंकि ये एकदम फ्रेश अपडेट है, आई होप यू विल बी अंडरस्टैंडिंग. मुझे आपको तुरंत बताना होगा कि कैसे नए सीजन में पार्टिसिपेट करना है. ओके, you have to come to this page. You have to simply first of all sign in with the ID with which you want to participate. Then click on join this game button, paste that access code here and click on the join button. Okay, I guess yes, I have to copy this access code. Every challenge have its unique access code, so you have to paste it here and click on the join button. Once you click on the join, you will instantly get enrolled in this. Now you can see that the game was live on the 7th of the July, 6:47 PM, and the deadline is 31st of the July. Okay, so you have 24 days to complete this challenge. And first of all, once you register yourself in this, once you get your spot register, you have to complete these labs. I will be providing you the solution, hopefully. Yes, I will be providing you the solution starting from the trivia itself. But since of course the page is updated, it means the challenge is started. The facilitator program I am talking about for those who have experience about this program. अगर आपको इस बारे में कुछ नहीं पता तो थोड़ा सा वेट कर लेना, बस इस पेज पे आके अपने गेम्स में एनरोल हो जाना, बिकॉज लिमिटेड स्पॉट्स आर देयर. तो यू हैव टू रजिस्टर योर सेल्फ. एक बार रजिस्टर कर लेना. फिर कल एक वीडियो आएगी गाइड पे, कंप्लीट गाइड, उसमें बिगनर फ्रेंडली होगी. वो देखने के बाद आपको चीज़ें क्लियर हो जाएंगी. अभी मैं बता रहा हूँ जिनको एक्सपीरियंस है. ओके, सो फैसिलिटेटर प्रोग्राम विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द 4th of अगस्त. तो यहाँ पे पॉसिबिलिटी है कि इसलिए वो जुलाई में ही स्टार्ट कर दिया उन्होंने. बोनस पॉइंट मिलने यानी कि फैसिलिटेटर प्रोग्राम स्टार्ट होगा 4th of अगस्त से. ठीक है, तो यू कैन बी एंश्योर कि अपडेट किया उन्होंने लाइव पेज पे, वो भी जुलाई करेक्ट मंथ के साथ, करेक्ट डेट के साथ, मतलब ये ऑफिशियल है. ठीक है, सो यू कैन स्टार्ट एनरोलिंग, यू कैन स्टार्ट पार्टिसिपेटिंग. आई विल बी अपलोडिंग द सॉल्यूशन. And hopefully this time I don't get the flag. Okay, so thank you very much. If you like the video, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, because I will be providing the generous updates on my YouTube channel. And if you have any query, you can ask me in the comment box or on the WhatsApp group. Thank you very much. Good. Bye.